Home security is a top priority for homeowners in West Columbia, and one of the most effective ways to protect your home is through professional door replacement. Your front and exterior doors serve as the first line of defense against potential intruders, harsh weather, and energy loss. If your doors are old, weak, or not properly installed, they could be putting your home at risk. Upgrading to high-security doors with professional installation can significantly enhance safety, durability, and peace of mind. Here's how door replacement can improve home security in West Columbia. Stronger materials for maximum protection. Older doors, particularly wooden and hollow core doors, can be easily kicked in or forced open. Modern doors, on the other hand, are designed to provide maximum protection against break-ins and weather damage. Some of the best materials for secure doors include steel doors, highly durable and resistant to impact, making them one of the most secure options. Fiberglass doors, strong, weather-resistant, and difficult to break or warp over time. Solid wood doors, more secure than hollow core doors, but require proper maintenance. When professionally installed, these materials provide long-term durability and enhanced security. Advanced locking systems for added safety. Even the strongest doors can be vulnerable if they don't have high-quality locking systems. When replacing your doors, professional installers can recommend and install advanced locking features such as multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points along the frame, deadbolts with reinforced strike plates to prevent forced entry, smart locks and keyless entry systems for enhanced control over access, security bars and reinforced door frames for additional protection. A professionally installed modern lock system ensures that your home is protected from unauthorized access. Impact-resistant and reinforced doors for extreme weather. West Columbia is no stranger to harsh weather conditions, including storms and heavy rainfall. A professionally installed impact-resistant door can withstand strong winds and flying debris, protecting your home from damage. Prevent warping, rotting, or cracking, which can weaken door security over time. Improve insulation, helping regulate indoor temperatures while keeping moisture out. By replacing outdated doors with storm-rated, impact-resistant options, you can boost both home security and weather protection. Proper door frame installation for security enhancement. The secure door is only as strong as the frame and hinges that support it. Many break-ins occur due to weak door frames that allow intruders to pry open doors easily. Professional door installation ensures that reinforced frames are used to resist forced entry. Long screws and heavy-duty hinges are installed to prevent tampering. Weather stripping and sealants are applied to keep doors tightly secured. A professionally installed frame adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for intruders to breach your home. Smart security features and modern technology. With advancements in technology, modern doors come equipped with smart security features that can improve home safety. Some of these include video doorbells to monitor visitors and potential threats, keypad and fingerprint entry systems to eliminate the need for keys, alarm sensors that detect forced entry attempts and trigger alerts, A professional installer can help integrate these smart security features into your home for added peace of mind. Deterrence. A visible security upgrade. A new, sturdy, high-quality door sends a strong message to potential intruders. Studies show that burglars often target homes with old, weak, or poorly maintained doors because they are easier to break into. Professional door replacement can deter criminals, making them think twice before attempting a break-in. A well-secured door with visible security enhancements such as reinforced locks, steel cores, and smart technology makes your home less attractive to burglars. Increased property value and insurance benefits. Upgrading to high-security doors isn't just about protection, it's also a smart investment in your home. Benefits include increased home value, making your property more attractive to buyers. Lower home insurance premiums, as many insurers offer discounts for homes with reinforced doors. Energy savings, as newer doors provide better insulation and reduce heating and cooling costs. By working with a professional door replacement company, you can ensure that your investment provides long-term financial and security benefits. Final thoughts. Secure your West Columbia home with professional door replacement. If your doors are old, damaged, or not providing the level of security you need, it's time to consider a professional door replacement. Investing in stronger materials, advanced locks, smart security features, and professional installation can significantly enhance your home's safety. Don't wait until a break-in or severe weather event puts your home at risk. Contact a trusted door replacement expert in West Columbia today and take the first step toward a more secure and energy-efficient home.